Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss surface grinding machine. Basically, what is a surface grinder? The operation of surface grinder is similar to the planer, shaper, or milling machine, but with more precision. In this type, shaper, planer, and milling, the large amount of stock is removed. But in a grinding, very small amount of stock is removed, and it is a very accurate and precision method. They are intended to machine flat surfaces, irregular, curved, or tapered surface. These are the example of surface grinding. This grinding wheel, on that grinding wheel would provide the abrasive particles and is rotate in some constant speed, and these wheel are mounted on the spindle, and the spindle is a horizontal, and this is called as a work, and this work is mounted on the table to give the transverse movement to the table, and rotatory movement is given to the work, and you have to remove the surface of the work pieces. Very small amount of material is removed and finish the top surface of the work. There are four different types of surface grinders. They are according to table movement. First one is a reciprocating table type. Second one is a rotatory table type. These are the two classification according to table movement. And second classification according to direction of wheel spindle. First one is a horizontal spindle type, and second one is a vertical spindle type. So these are the classifications of surface grinder. Let us discuss detail about the surface grinding machine, which is shown in the diagram. This one is called as a bed or base of the machine. The base of the machine is made up of cast iron, is a heavy and rigid construction because of all other parts of the machines are mounted on the base. And there is some table driving mechanism is also provided on the base. Above the base, the surface is accurately finished and provide a guideways. And on that guideways, you have to mount the saddle. The movement of the saddle is towards or away from the column. Towards or away from the column, this movement is provided for the saddle. And above the saddle, you have to mount the table. The movement of the table is in longitudinal direction, means parallel to the column face. This is the face of the column, and on the face of the column, this movement of the table is parallel, and the saddle movement is perpendicular to the face of the column. That type of movements is provided in a saddle as well as table. And above the table, the T-slots are provided on the table for clamp the work securely, and you have to mount the work above the table. On the back side of the base, this vertical member is called as a column. The vertical member is called as a column, this vertical member. And basically this vertical member, in front of the vertical column you have to provide a guideways, and these are the vertical guideways, and vertical on that vertical guideways you have to mount the wheel head assembly. This is called as a wheel head assembly, and these wheel heads are moved in a up and down direction depends upon the height of the work which is mounted on the table. Means to give the depth of cut by rotating the wheel head, it is in up and down direction. According to that, you have to rotate the wheel head on the guideways provided on the column. So this is the arrangement is provided on the surface grinding machine, and the wheel is mounted on the horizontal spindle, which is shown in the 3D diagram. This one is a grinding wheel, and the grinding wheel is mounted on horizontal spindle which is attached to the wheel head, and wheel head is used to give the depth of cut, means how much amount of stock is removed from the work, and this is nothing but a work is mounted on the table to give the transverse movement to the work and give the rotatory motion to the grinding wheel, and you have to finish the surface of the workpieces. So this type of machine is called as a horizontal surface grinding machine. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.